In 1997, there was a building. This is the part of the building. We still remain this part. But after 2006, I told you that because of the London Convention, we couldn't dump the waste anymore outside the ocean. So they decided to, demolish and then build something else. So I really like this. I not demolishing the whole part.
Bola. Bola genaka. Bola genaka. Bikam din ano ko ito kani. Tsaka na field trip. Kita
In
chingwa
this
na
picture, it shows this
Sarsar
island,
mate?
Hadokdo Island, the Busan metropolitan city. Unfortunately, they are going to build another airport here. So right there, so you see the mountain on the left.
Yes.
The 67% of the whole mountain will be cut, and then dumped into the ocean and made the runway for the airplane. So But there is a controversial issue between the airport and then migratory bird, because this is the pathway of the migratory bird going into. And then the bird strike has been a huge issue in Korea right now, because 2 years ago we had an accident in another airport that killed almost 200 people. So environmentalists, NGOs, they say no airport. But city of Busan, they say yes. So
That's what the protest about.
yeah, not only the bird, taking care of some of those ecological value in this area. So
Yeah, I saw some banners in front
you
of
see here the airplane we call the Big Bird is coming now. Every 5 minutes, that Big Bird is going that way.
So this is the route to the airport, yeah?
It's about 15 kilometers from here, so it's very short.
So, sekarang ko nasarsar, yung pula niya pula pinagkapula na rin natin. Pula pa nasa tinaka, pula nasa, tubol mo Australia, pula Ana. Yeah. Ito, wala ko suka ko na. Okay. Yes! Kata-kata. Oh. Okay. Oh, elevator. Okay. Oh, nice. And we're gonna go one? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, this way. Okay. Sounds good. Did they go somewhere? Are they not there? Must be in the gallery. Ito field trip, Chico. Oh, yeah. Over there? Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, no.
You can go inside just shortly to the library.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
The whole library.
If anybody needs a restroom,
Oh. So this is where they make all the beautiful artwork. Nice library. Wow. Very good. Must be a nice view, eh? To be here and you're reading and you're looking out. Beautiful. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Do you have any water?
yes.
Thank you. Okay.
So in a few minutes, we will go out of the island. So you need to fasten your seatbelt.
Sit down. Okay.
And the final destination, we are going to the Amisan Observatory. It's going to take another 15 minutes to drive down there. And then we will have a very short tour there, and then we will end tour before 1:25, and then we will hit the road
Okay.
back to the Mexico.
Thank you.
During the evening time, this driveway from the ocean side of Motherland, many these little crabs coming into this road, several hundred of them coming into the road, so it's so beautiful to watch.
Sa pamati kaya to. Wala mahmade.